introducing its first foldable screen smartphone, the Galaxy Fold, in 2019, Samsung is more serious in getting into folding series by releasing a smaller folding smartphone in 2020, Galaxy Z Flip. The tech company also plans to adopt this technology in its tablet product segment. According to toGizmoChina, Samsung is recently developing a tablet with triple screen feature. It is said that this triple screen tablet will be launched in the first quarter of 2022, along with smartphone Galaxy S22. Rumors also have said that this folding tablet will be named Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Tab. It is predicted to come with a better UTG screen. On the other hand, Foxconn is currently testing two different iPhone folding screen smartphone designs, which both have passed the assembly quality control test. It is believed that the test was carried out by the factory to measure the durability of the hinge mechanism of the iPhone folding screen smartphone. One of the designs tested reportedly resembles the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Lenovo Moto RIZR, and the Samsung Galaxy Fold.